Great. Springtrap is snoring too loudly. It was so loud, I can't sleep. Great. His snoring sounds like a diesel engine. I just can't stand with all this snoring. Springtrap returns to Fazbear's Fright. Phantom Freddy, Chica, Foxy, Phantom Mangle, Puppet, is that you? Whoa! That sounds really loud. So, my question is, how can I sleep with all this noise that Springtrap is making right now? What am I gonna do?
Well, Shadow Freddy, try to wake Springtrap up. Maybe that'll stop his snoring.
Okay, I'll try. Hey, Springtrap, wake up! Great. It's not working. Springtrap kept snoring. Oh well. I'll try get some sleep. So anyways, guys, if you like my video, if you're interested to see what new videos might be, feel free to subscribe. Hit the bell for a notification. That way it'll let you know when new videos come in. So anyways, guys, I'll see you soon.